clearing up.
We're heading out. It's starting to clear up. We had a really rainy day yesterday, so we had to stay inside, and we went and grabbed a fun lunch, and then cleared up enough for us to go to dinner. And today it looks like it's kind of starting to clear up, so we're going to take advantage. We're going to go out while we can. There are red flags, so we will not get in the water, but it'll be fun just being out here. The kids were stuck inside all day yesterday, so it was just a little crazy.
Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. But the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And when you get to the top and I see that you've been learning. And when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump that confirmed it. Trap money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. From the block like you Jenny.
My mom and dad just got here, and my sister and her husband with the girls.
Oh, really? Okay, I got
We're
you.
so excited to have more cousins to play with.
How are you, honey? I'm all right. Oh, Lord.
And it's turned out to be a beautiful day. We're so glad after yesterday's rainy, stormy day.
Oh, I'm good.
Katniss, are you excited to finally be out in the sand?
Yeah.
You got your mermaid outfit all ready.
They've been wanting to come out here all day, but we didn't.
Are you scared for them to put their feet in the ocean?
Yeah, but they can't.
Why?
They can't.
Why not?
They just can't.
Are you scared they're going to get sucked away?
Yeah.
They won't. They'll be okay. They're big girls. Hey, Tinley, y'all don't get in any farther than that. It's cold.
Hey, we yoga down here. Did you say
All right, Alex, right back.
Oh, did you hurt your elbow?
What?
Did you hurt your elbow?
No, yours just hurts mine.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
It is pretty bad.
Hi, hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
I'm missing one.
She's over here. That is so funny.
You opened your eyes.
You little turkey.
I went under with my nose.
Okay.
That hurts.
Okay? All right. Take it off, buddy.
do it. 1, 2, go.
I'm gonna do it a little close to the stairs because I still don't know how to hold my
Okay.
There we go.
Is that yummy? Is that pretty good?
Is it good? Do you like it?
Gently, it says it's a unicorn horn.
Like a puppy.
It looks like a puppy.
Especially got 4 friends playing along. See Wade plays 2 minutes later. Yeah, we shoot shit play.
The big girls are not a big deal.
I get like not playing like it's just yourself and just playing all the time. Like that's different. But like when you got 4 friends and everybody's get together, like
Hey, baby.
Huh? Are you videoing or picturing? I don't like a scuba. Sometimes I'll do,
No towels here. No towels.
It's time to turn some hip hop on. After that.
Are you sleepy? We had a long day out on the beach today, and we've got a sleepy little man.
Yeah.
You took a good nap out there too.
I got a bug. I got sunburn on me.
You do got a little sunburn on you, buddy. I know. God love it. That little sunburn on you, bubby. Are you gonna eat hot dogs tonight? We're eating in tonight. We soaked up all the little bit of sun we could, didn't we, Bryson?
And I get sunburn.
We had a shrimp boil.
Make it cry.
Oh, the River Wild.
So yummy.
You know it came on when you were upstairs. The Goonies. It came on after.
Here's the Venus fresh shrimp.
Nope.
Had you ever
Just
seen
kidding.
the River Wild?
Here's what we trying to show some.
Thought about it, but it
No. I can't wait to eat some of those potatoes and that corn. Oh, it's so good. And of course the kids are getting hot dogs. We made a little mess.
They jumped into the river and it was like, it looked like a swimming pool. It was so calm. And it's like, that's not a good idea. That's wrong. That's started moving.
She said, this is a dangerous issue.
Yeah, she said, this is a
And she's worried about Meryl Streep.
I mean, God.
She is so tense over that.
She's worried about filming a movie